Hello guys, let's introduce myself. My name is Fabrizio, I'm 25 years old and I come from Italy. Now I'm actually in Zanzibar, Tanzania, East Africa. You can see I am basically on paradise. I am on the boat of the diving center where I am working. We are off the coast, about 1 kilometer far away, and we are just enjoying this beautiful day. So I want to use this time to explain who I am and what I want to do with you guys. So as I told you, I'm 25 years old. When I was 19, I was going to university. Basically, I started going to university, but I decided to change my life. So it wasn't really for me. So what I did, I just leave it and I bought a flight ticket to Sydney. It was one of the most important things I did in life because it actually changed my life. At the beginning, it was very scary, I have to be honest, because when you go there, you have to start everything from the beginning. So you don't have a house, friends, and this can scare you a lot. But when you start going on, so you find a job, you find house, and you find, of course, friends, everything starts to be very nice because you start believing in yourself. So it can be very motivating for you. This experience was very nice for me because after this I start getting in love with traveling. So I start traveling around the world in many different places, looking forward in every place I went. I've been traveling to 20 different countries almost, and I've been living in 5 of them. So to be able to travel and live in these different places, I have a lot of different jobs. For me, it's not so important the job you do. I mean, for the beginning you can work in every kind of shop because you just need something to be able to live in that place. And after, while you have a house and everything fixed, you can start looking for a good job. So at the beginning it really doesn't matter. That's why I have done a lot of different jobs, like pizza driver, like mechanic. But after, when things are fine, you can find for a better job. So now I am here in Zanzibar, in East Africa. I'm working in the diving center, and this is something very important for me. It's important because it can give me the opportunity to work in this place, so I don't have to think about my money, about where to stay, because with my job I can spend free time here in Zanzibar. I can work and have time to spend and to live here. To live here, I mean understand how people live here and to know everything about this country. If you go for holiday, you just see what people want you to see. So you just see good things, just the beaches, just the swimming pool and the ocean and so on. But while you are living, you can understand basically everything from the country. So you can understand how people are, you can understand the good and the bad. That's why I'm starting doing my vlog here in Zanzibar. I'm starting this because I want to bring you guys with me. I want to let you discover this beautiful country. I want to show you basically everything. Because when you look on the internet, what is shown on the internet sometimes is just the good things. But with this vlog, I want to introduce you inside this civilization. So I want to show you everything, the bad and the good. So like beautiful moment like these beautiful places, but also bad things like how people here lives, how work are, how much they are paid. So basically everything that can help you really understand how this place is. So if you want to know more about this beautiful country, don't hesitate to subscribe and follow me for my videos. And if you really want to see something you are interested on, you can just ask me or comment below and ask me to report something. I will do with no problem. And basically this is it. So I'll say you hello with some shot on this boat and hope you will follow me. See you guys.